I'm Aaron Tucker, and this is how to smoothly tuck in a shirt. First, you want to start with putting your shirt on. Make sure everything's buttoned up, or if it's a pullover, make sure it's falling correctly. If you have on any undergarments, you want to start with pulling that down first. Alleviate any bulges or any creases or any bunching that may have been caused by what you have underneath your shirt. Of course, you start with your pants down. Pull your shirt as taut as you possibly can. Pull your pants up. Pull them up to the desired length or height that you want them on your waist, and then smooth out any gapping, any bunching that you may have on your shirt. Stick your hand inside your fly and pull your shirt. Start around back first, smooth out anything in the back, and work your way around on each side, using different hands, alternating. That way you have a smooth, clean silhouette. Zip your pants up and you're ready to go.